Let's get it, baby. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. This is not financial advice. Oh yeah, let me fix this up. Let me fix the camera, baby. Oh yeah, let's get it. Happy Monday, baby. Let's go. Mic check 1 2. Oh yeah. We in the building. Somebody said brushing your teeth. Hopefully that's exactly true. Let's get it. We in the building now. We here. But without further ado, this is not financial advice. I just hope you brought your oven mitts, baby, because it's about to get hot in the kitchen. Now, don't invest in companies you don't understand and don't believe in, because if they dip, woo, you not gonna buy the dip, and then you gonna sell low and be right back here crying to me, and I'm not having that. So if you can't handle the heat of these hot stocks, then stay out of the kitchen and consider investing in the index funds, baby. Oh yeah, let's clap it up. We in the building now. All right, now, you already know what time it is. We know where you going, but now we trying to know where you from. Let the family rep your city, baby. Let us know where you from. I see Oman in the building, Hampton. I see Virginia, Grand Rising family, Discord family in the building. Let's go. Let's go. Slovenia is in the building. Nigeria is in the building. Germany is here. Miami. I see you, family. Let's talk about it, baby. Now, let's check out a few things before anything else. I see you. Sacramento in the building. Buffalo. Shout out to Buffalo. DC is in the house. Oh, yeah. Let's get it. Hit that like button on your way in, baby. Now, all right. One thing we got to talk about is this. Shiba Inu. Let's first start it off. And let's get to all of the facts. Because you know we coming with the receipts. And we need to have you informed. Not misinformed. Not uninformed. We need to get you the facts, baby. Straight up. So here we go. First of all, let's start it off. If you are currently holding Shiba Inu, these is information pieces that you need to know. Or if you're looking to get in on it, here go another piece of information that you need to know. First thing is we're at 4 zeros and 39. As you all know, many mainstream media platforms have been hating and coming out with these hit pieces on Shiba Inu. But remember, you got to play it through the volatility if you are long term. If you're a swing trader, even better on playing it through the volatility. We're currently at 4 zeros and 39. Now, it keeps finding support at this 3.6. Right? 4 zeros and then 36. It keeps finding support there. What does that mean? It's kind of chipping away at that level. When you zoom out, we're on a downtrend on it. But we have since bounced. But check this out. Let's go to do this. I always want to show you this. I always want you to be able to do this, right? Somebody said 1 and 2. You know what time it is, baby. You know what time it is. So, Ether scan, right? Ether scan. Shiba Inu. There's two pieces of things, or two pieces of, let's call it, technology that you need to make sure you up on. And what is that? One of them is the Ether scan cap. Individually, they work great, but together, beast. So let's start it off with CoinMarketCap and let's see what's going on with Shiba Inu. So in terms of the market cap, right now, we are at 12. We are the 12th biggest cryptocurrency, even after everything has been just the fear, uncertainty, and doubt has been slowing the momentum down. You said hit the like button, join the Discord. The Discord link is in the top. If you have not done so already, come and join it. You know what time it is. Kenya in the building, Chicago in the building, Florida, Connecticut. We here, baby. I'm so happy that it's Monday. I love being on here with y'all. I appreciate y'all. Just know. But check this out. Shiba Inu, 12th biggest cryptocurrency in the world. It's currently down 13% in the last 7 days, but it's up 4% in the last 24 hours. We've been holding above this 20 billion market cap. If you add all of the circulating coins up, 20 billion. Now, one thing I want you to know too is they have been burning Shiba Inu at a very solid rate. How can we tell? Take a look at this. You see this 549 and now it's 015. 549 015. So let's take a look and let's go to Coinbase because I gotta sneeze. Woo. Woo. Excuse me. Let me see if y'all got any manners out here. But check this out. So 549045. When you go to Coinbase, it used to be. Oh, even Coinbase updated it. Let's go. But you know, I keep the receipts. I always tell you to take screenshots. So if they change anything, you can tell the difference, right? So let me check this out. Let me zoom out because this just happened. This is something that I'm just noticing right now. Here we go. This is Coinbase. One day, I'm going to share it to my computer. Here we go. All right, Coinbase, that's one day. And then I'm going to show you today, just so you can see that they actually have been burning Shiba Inu, surprise to me, at a rate that I didn't expect them to be burning it. But shout out to that. Let's go. Yo, hold up. You know we come over with the receipts. Somebody said, oh, bless you. I appreciate y'all for that. Come on now. Your mother taught you better than to not have any manners. I appreciate y'all. Here we go. Check us out. So the other day, I want to say yesterday, if not 2 days ago, look at the circulating supply. This is Shiba Inu. For those of you who just rolled in, make sure you hit the like button. We need at least 1,000 likes. Now, the other day, the circulating supply was 549.1, right? 549.1. But look at it now. It is now 549.0. Now, you may be asking yourself and even thinking to yourself that, look, that's not that much, right? Keep in mind, we are in the trillions, family. We are in the trillions. So, if this is 9 trillion, this is 49 trillion, and this is 549 trillion, that means that they've burned so far at least 1 billion. So we are chipping away, and it's still 2021. Imagine there's years to come. And remember, I'm not telling you to buy, hold, and sell this, but I want you to really understand that they have burned a lot of Shiba Inu, a whole lot of it. Why? Because we just finally chipped away at the 4th place mark. We love to see it. We absolutely love to see it. And again, that's what's up. But again, how can we go and double check? The other piece of technology I was talking about, and it's this. It's the Ether scan. And then I was talking to somebody, and they was like, oh, man, Kenan, you keep calling it Ether scan the Ethereum scan. Ether, Ethereum, it's the same. It's the same thing. If you have an Ethereum token, you can check out the Ether scan and look through Ethereum's blockchain and then get an idea as to what's going on. So now, let's keep it going. All right, cookies, got it, sure. So check this out. Let's look at the holders. And then boom, Black Hole Wallet is filling up. We're at 510 and then 255. Let's take a look and let's see if we have any larger or at least more frequent burns. How do you look at burns? You're looking at transfers in. So one of the major burners of this is this one. So you said this. If they burn basically, I want to say 0.1 trillion per day, that would be 36 trillion per year. We would love to see it. But let's see what keeps going on, right? We love to see that. So now the burns have ramped up. In the last 24 hours, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 burns of Shiba Inu in the last 24 hours. Now, let's see. We have 1 million, 10,000. So this must be just, you know, an everyday person just doing their part because they want to they want to keep it going. We love it. We love it. Somebody said Pfizer. Let's keep going with this, and then we'll get back to Pfizer. So PFE is pumping. It's pumping. We're looking to get into a potential call to play the volatility, right? Check the Discord stocks of the week. All right, check this out. Check this out. So now, holders, we're over 1 million, like we know. But let's go back into this. Crypto.com has been really burning a lot of Shiba Inu. They've consistently just done it again and again and again. So, Black Hole Wallet, they burned almost 1 million. And it seems like every few days or so, we keep seeing millions of them being burned. 2 million, 1 million, 800,000. Here, we even got 50 million. This is one of the biggest burns that I've seen in a little bit. 50 million, we love to see it. 5 million, yep. 2 million, 4 million. Yes, so consistent burns. And a lot of them are coming from Crypto.com 2 wallet. Crypto.com has multiple wallets. So yes, it is what it is. We see what time it is. Somebody said we on the same page. That's right. That's right. Shout out to you, family. We love seeing the receipts. Somebody said it's 100 billion. Let's go. Let's go. You're right. You're absolutely right. What did I say? One? You're 100% right. Because, and let's go back too, right? Because you are actually 100% right. If this is trillions, if the 9 is in a trillion spot, then that means this 1 is in a 100 billion spot. So you're on point, family. We love it. We love to see it. So then that means they burned 100 billion. So we really love to see that. But it wasn't all at once. Notice that they're chipping away at it. And they have a long way to go. Let's be clear. Let's keep it real. Let's keep it raw. They got a long way to go if they want to keep on burning this. However, we see that they're consistently burning it every single day. So if you hold a Shiba Inu long, and I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell, but I do want you to understand that that's important. That's important to say, okay, they're burning them. They're reducing the supply. We love to see it. So, do you think Activision is a good buy? Just load it up, bringing my average down. I think it's a good idea that you're bringing your average down. That's always a good idea when you are going long on a play. So shout out to you, family. Shout out to you. Appreciate you for the love. All right, Kenan, how are you going to play the PFE put? So, great question. Let's go to that right now. So, we don't have 50% likes, family. We need 500 more likes. So, let's do that right now. Take a second. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already. Hit the like button if you have not done so already. That's how you show some support, show some love for free. Now, let's keep it going too. But again, hit the like button. We're trying to keep it at 50% likes. You said big day for Saitama today. Why is that? We love to hear that, but why is that? Dirty South, baby, in the building. Now, again, I see the likes going up a little bit, but let's hit the like button. We need to get more likes than that. And let me zoom out of myself a little bit while you're doing that. Let me fix my camera. It's like you can't even see my head. There we go. All right, cool. I'm in focus now, baby. We in focus now. Let's get much love. All right, so yeah, let's check it. Let's check it out. So let's go. Let's move this down a little bit and let's get into. All right. So this one's coming down, right? But we like that. Come on down to pick us up, right? To pick us up. One thing too that I just want to mention this is I got one Pfizer put. I got one to get some skin in the game for a tracker. But I really want to explain this, right? So right now, let me see. Where's my Pfizer put? So I'm down on it $22, right? I'm down on it $22. But I'm looking to get into a Pfizer call that I showed the Discord family, right? Now we want this one to and pick us up because the news on Pfizer is basically going nuts. But again, we're going to let this one chill out and cool off. And then I'm trying to jump into a call for Pfizer. That when I do, I'll get into the Discord and I'll show you. So right now, yeah, I'm down $22 on this one, on a Pfizer call. But again, I keep it raw. I got some skin in the game on that. But you said Neo is up. We love it. Look at Russ Twitter. Big for Saitama. Okay. But yeah, I'm looking for this. I'm trying to make some money. You can make money on the way up and on the way down. I really want you to understand that. You just got to give yourself the time and never panic buy and never panic sell. When you panic buy or panic sell, you're going to lose all kind of money. You see what I'm saying? So you just got to relax. That's really what's going on. You really just got to relax. Now, understand that if I get into a play to get some skin in it and just see, okay, this one, I would rather establish a position way high than way low. But I'll establish a position just quick, and I just pick up one. But I'm looking to get into a particular call option on this one. And let me just go to it right now. I might just jump in it right now. PFE. Now, this one would be like crazy short term. Like, I'm talking get in, get up, and get out. Now, it's dangerous to pick up a call when you are basically getting in the beginning. Like literally in the beginning of the market open, within the first, I want to call it 15 minutes. This is the Wild Wild West, family. Straight up, Wild Wild West. Let's come back to this one real quick, though. Let me just check out. Somebody just said Ford is pumping. We want to just notice. Oh, we got over the 20 mark. Notice this thing has been finding a lot of trouble getting over the 20. So we want to see it break into the 21. That would really signal. That would really signal a bull run for this one. So Pfizer is probably going to pump. But notice, it gapped up again. Double gap. Actually, a few of them. Gapped up, came down a little bit, closed the gap. But you needed, if you got into the gap down on this right here, a gap up means it jumped up. And then over time, it'll come back down, right? So then that's how we were trying to play this one for the 50 over time to see it come back down. However, let's say that it comes down, and let's say that it plays out like this. Let's say that it plays out kind of like this, right? Like kind of even like this. If you're in a 50 put, then over time, if you just gave yourself time, it'll win. However, you could still get in a short-term call and play the news, right? You play the news and you could win here too. But I'm looking for one as we speak. Let me zoom in a little bit. So right now on the 5-minute chart, we are very close to being overbought. That means so many people are buying it. But understand me on this. So many people are buying it and it's really pumping. But we might be able to make some money real extremely quick, right? Extremely quick, but don't get married. Don't get married to this. See that it's getting to the overbought territory, which tells you, you know what? Let's hold off for just a second. Let's hold off for just a quick second and then try to load up. But you could jump in now. Like I always tell you, if you want some skin in the game, that means don't go too hard. But look at that. Look at that. Let's see. 50. Let's see. See? Overbought. And then it comes down for a second to pick you up. Comes to pick you up. And then you can jump in. So now, let's see. The spread on this is crazy. Just know, if you're in the Discord, I'm looking to get into a high risk, high reward call, short term, on this one. Now, whatever you do a high risk, high reward call, you got to realize that, hold up. Here we go. See if I can jump in this. I sent one to the Discord, fam. Now this one, yeah, this one's going crazy. Let's see the open interest on this. Low. Open interest is low. Hold on, fam. What am I doing? I'm looking for entry. Looking for entry on this. High risk, high reward. All right, Discord fam. So I just jumped into a different Pfizer call, and I'm sharing it with you. Let me see. I'm trying to get in. I want to let that RSI cool. Come on down. Here we go. Come on down, baby. Come on down, baby. Uh-huh. Here we go. Come on, here we go. Trade. I'm trying to get in it. Here we go. What we doing, Pfizer? Come on. Come pick me up. Oh, yeah, your boy looking for it, baby. Your boy looking for it. He said, could you research? Good looking out, family. Don't let me forget that one. Meta Hero. One of these days, give your honest opinion. Let me write that down. Meta Hero. Okay, yeah. So what am I doing? Take a look. Let's go and let's look at the RSI. We are really, really close to overbought territory where too many people are buying it at once. However, understand that it's still pumping. And the RSI keeps going away. What's up, Weeble? Where my RSI chart at? Here we go. So it's still pumping. Let's see. Okay, so now it's starting to show some weakness right here. See this? So remember, never panic buy and never panic sell. When you panic buy or sell, and I was telling everybody on the Discord too, you can make money on the way up and you can make money on the way down on the same exact play. There's actually specific strategies for that. For example, strategies called like a straddle, for example. You can make money on crazy volatility and buying a call and a put with the same strike on the same date. But let's let this come on down. Come on down, baby. Come on down. Cool off a little bit so then we could jump in. So now on this call, on this put option that I have, I'm down $33. I have one. I paid 104. It is now worth 71. This is from I want to say 2 days ago or so, like 2 market days ago. Let's see. Niagara Falls is in the building. Okay, look, you see, we trying to break that trend. We trying to break the trend. Let's see. Why did my RSI keep going away? Okay, now it's getting to the oversold territory. What we got? What we got? What we got? Come on, Pfizer. Okay, so now, Discord fam, now that we showing this weakness up here, what I'm about to do, remember, with the call option that I had, the put option that I had, I'm down $31, but I only bought one, right? So I'm about to potentially get another one just to average down on it. Averaging down means buying the same thing for a different price another time. Disney calls, potentially. So let's see what's going on with this. This is when we would have loved to average down right here, but we're good. We're still pretty much in the same range. So let's see. You already know what time it is, baby. Let's get it. What are we gonna do? We're gonna break the trend. It keeps kind of breaking out and getting about right here, I want to call it, and finding resistance. So let's see if it finds resistance here or if it pumps. Because what happens in the market, yep, it's finding resistance there. So right here with this red line, let me make it a little bit bigger so you can see it. Right here, this is about 55.40 or so. 55.50, 55.40 in that range. Okay, yeah, I think we found close to the bottom. Maybe. Let's see how it reacts. But first, somebody just said the SPY is flying. Let's see it. So far it's in a downtrend on the day, kinda after the pre-market, but it pumped up. So I can see some SPY, like I can see SPY pushing up this week too. Now that you say that, I can see it. If you could get in close to the 460s, like the low 460s, which we are basically there right now, I like it. I like it a lot. Thoughts on Moderna? Yo, if they get that new vaccine that they're talking about going, ooh, then they really gonna pump. Okay, so let's see. We're finding resistance at this level. We're finding resistance at this level. So what I'm about to do is see what happens here. Let's see. Pfizer, options. Very short term. Showing a lot of weakness. Discord fam, I'm going to show you the one. I didn't get in this one yet, but this is the one that I'm trying to get in, get up, and get out. I'm going to put it on the watch list like as we speak. I'm also looking to average down on my put and play it both ways, kind of like a straddle, but differently, or like different. So Discord fam, I'm going to send you it right now on the watch list. Yeah, this one looking like it's going. Yeah, here we go. Where we at? Where we at? We coming back down? So yeah, let me just, there we go. Again, coming back down, 93. Okay, so this is a very strong resistance. Very strong resistance. But notice, like I was telling you the other day, how it's jackhammering it. It's kind of, in a way, it's kind of showing you that it's trying to chip away at it. Right? Because look at this. We have a low, and then we have a higher low. Short term on the minute chart, like just for an intraday, just get in, get up, and get out. It's slightly on an uptrend within the last, let's call it 5 minutes. So let's see. We want to see though, because it's finding crazy resistance at this red line right here. All right, so Discord fam, let me show you which one at least is on my radar. I'm about to average down on my put first though. That put that I have, family, I'm gonna buy 2 more of it. 2 more of them. Let's see. Oh, I gotta hit the ask. I can't be playing around with this one. Me modify my order. Dang, it's dropping. Ask keeps getting higher and higher and higher. The RSI is 41. So yeah, this thing is coming down. All right. So that same put that I was in before, I just averaged down on it. Remember, I'm not married to this. I'm trying to bring my average down. It's a part of trading. So look, here we go. I put it on stocks of the week. So if you want a Discord, go check that out. So I brought my average down. Remember, when I tell you I'm getting skin in the game, I really mean I'm getting just a piece of skin in the game. Now I'm down 9%. I was just down 30%. And I didn't even go all the way in yet. You said check square. It's going down like a rock. I'm looking. I also want to get into some potential. I want to get into some potential SPY calls. And Neo, we was waiting for Neo to come pick us back up. You know we looking for entry on a Neo day call. We already made some money with Neo in anticipation of it. And now we got the money. Now we're going to wait, let it come down and come pick us up. And then boom. All right. So now Palantir is coming back down. Let's see. Let's see. Let's check this out. Oh yeah, let's go, family. Look, I'm telling you, I'm in I'm in beast mode right now. I'm ready. I'm ready to win. And another thing too, I just want to give you some guidance on this. When you are doing any kind of trading, right? Any kind of trading. And shout out to y'all. We over 50% likes, I want to say. Shout out to y'all. When you are doing any kind of trading, right? Remember, there's a difference between trading and investing. Options are trades. Options are straight up trades. When you invest, right, you are going long. You are going real long. So don't get married to a trade. You see what I'm saying? You got to think of it. You got to think of options kind of like this. Right? You want to think of the Monopoly board game. You get what you get up front, right? You get what you get up front. But let's say that, and we all know, those of us who are old enough to remember Monopoly, we all know that you rather get, and let me see if I can see an even better representation like this, right? You got Parkway and Boardwalk and everything like that. These are the expensive properties, right? You might be trying to work your way up to getting here, but you might start off with some of the more affordable ones, like the blue and the orange and the brown and all of this. And then you start getting to the medium range ones like the red and the yellow, right? But eventually you get over here. Now, you might not start off with any of the blue or any of the green, but what you got to think of, I don't even know if you can see this. Yeah, what you got to think of is I got to trade what I have to get what I want. You know what I'm saying? So you got to remember it's a trade. It's not something that you hold. Whether you doing it up or down, it's a trade. It's not something that you hold. All right, so yeah. Pfizer's trying to pump a little bit again, but it had to because it got to oversold territory. It had to come down. But you know what's pumping? I don't know if it's still pumping. mRNA. So it came down some. That would have been a nice put right here. But these are expensive. These are very expensive to buy these puts. You would have to pay at least $1,000, almost $2,000 to even engage in a quick get in, get up, get out play, but you would have made your money on that. Now, let's check out the SPY. All right, yeah. Let's chill for a second. And let's go back. You said SPY scares you. It's already at 52. Shout out to the Bahamas. Shout out to the Bahamas. Don't be afraid, family. Come join the Discord family with us. We in there together. We learn together. We win together. We lose together. We together. And we win more than we lose. That's what's important. And the family, they running all kind of different plays. If you go to the call options or the put option section, not even just the ones that you see me talk about here. But let's talk about what's going on. Somebody said, who purchased their Spider-Man tickets for the NFTs? I also want to know that. Let me know in the comments if you have gotten a Spider-Man NFT. What are we talking about, first of all? This. So, CEO Adam, Spider-Man. CEO Adam, Spider-Man, Twitter. Here we go. So, this idea came from you. We're partnering with Sony Pictures for AMC, first ever NFT, non-fungible token, family. And then they said more than 100 unique Spider-Man NFTs, so they have more than 100, given free to the first 86,000 online buyers of US AMC December 16 tickets for Spider-Man No Way Home, only for Stubs, Premier, A-List, and Investor Connect members. So, you say you bought yours? I heard that they're not coming out for a little bit. It might even be 2022. Let me know the date, because I don't know the date that they're actually going to drop you your NFTs. Let me know the date, because I have no idea what the date is for that. Let's see if Pfizer pumped up yet from being oversold. Let's see if it pumped up. And then let's come back. All right, yeah. So it tried it. It tried it. It's kind of on this downtrend right here now. It tried it. So let's continue on. You said you got yours December 22nd, not 2022, December 22. Great. Thank you. Great. Thank you. So now another one. Just know everybody else who's invested in Saitama Certic audit. So let's check this out. Where we at? Happy Thanksgiving. Thanks, community support. Okay, Certic, they said, happy Thanksgiving. Thanks again for our community support. Many years. Blah, blah, blah. Basically, Certic family, who are they? They're an audit for cryptocurrencies. One of the most reputable ones. And they're trying to audit Saitama to make sure. And I really want you to understand one thing, too. Let's just try to find it ourselves. Saitama. And let's look up Certic and then Twitter. I want to find the official Twitter page, Saitama Inu. Let's look that up. Just so you can understand. So they got their roadmap in the back, which we want to see happen, but, let's see. Let's see. All right, so check this out. They linked it right here in November. But here we go. November 27th. Let's go, Wolfpack. They said now, the token and more. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. So Saitama is live. Oh, it's an exchange. I have not heard of this exchange. There's so many exchanges, but that's a good thing. That's a really, really good thing for them. Our mission is to educate. We love that. We love to see it. I'm looking for specifically, let me see if this will work. Control F, and let's look up Certic. Oh, yeah, here we go. On the 24th, they post this. Certic security leaderboard, they said the Saitamask audit is in progress. Keep updated on the website for any changes. All right, so let's click this and see if this is a link. And let's update the people who are invested in the Saitama. Did I buy it both ways? I didn't buy the call yet. I didn't buy the call yet on Pfizer. However, it looks like it's getting into call range, but I didn't buy the call yet. But under here, it looks like it's getting into call range. But let's come back to it. So let's see. No assessment has been done yet. In progress, under assessment by experts. This is Saitama. This is Saitama. So yeah, nothing. They're not telling us anything just yet, even though they told us to click this link to check it out. There's nothing going on. It's in progress. Things are going on, but nothing happened just yet. Okay, so now it is what it is. We'll just wait and see. Let's look at their roadmap before we get up out of here. So their roadmap says this: Q3, Q4, they want Saitama level 1 to release. This is their platform. It is not yet released, but they're working on that. They still have like a month, you could say, to get it going. So this is where they are right now. We want to see it, and they want to make it so you can do Saitama rewards with staking it level 1. So again, one thing that I really want you to understand, like I was saying before, is you got to think of trust kind of like, I think that's how you spell collage. Yeah, like this, like a collage, right? Where you could have trust, right? And trust is like an original picture. And what can happen is, and it's like this, collage of cut out pictures, right? Something like that. Not cute, cut. You got to think of trust kind of like this, where it's made of other, like just all of these things combined. But like once you start to cut it up, you could put it back together, but it'll never be the same. It'll have like these lines in it. You know what I'm saying? So it'll never be like the original again. But you could rebuild. A lot of people that they would lose won't come back. So I just want you to understand that. Shout out to Virginia. Discord fam in the building. Shout out to Virginia. But again, remember, trust is really one of those things that it takes time to build, but it takes a second just to blow it. And then, it is what it is. So now let's see. We're getting back up here with Pfizer. We're getting back up here. We want to see if they hit this resistance again. I do want to play it both ways. So currently I'm down 15% on 3 Pfizer contracts. 3 Pfizer contracts. I have over 2 months on this. I'm down, but I really didn't go hard. I got $200 in the game. I'm ready to really pick up more again, like right here at this known resistance. But I also want to play the call. You see what I'm saying? You want to win both ways. I want to win on the way up, and I want to win on the way down. This is a trade. Okay, so now let's see. Let's go to the SPY really quickly. SPY is looking like it wants to come down here. It looks like it wants to come down here. Now, this red candle is showing us that that is somewhat true. And let's see it. And Ford, too. Ford, we were just talking about how Ford keeps having trouble. It keeps having trouble with what? With getting us basically up to 20 and staying up there. So now NEO looped. The whole market looped right here at about, let's call it 955. Just about. The whole market just looped. Look at this. About 955, 952 or so, it looped. Okay, so now Pfizer coming back up. I can see it approaching here again. But I do want to play this both ways. Now I'm down 12% on my call. I got 3 contracts. I could jump in again. Should I do it right now? Let's do it. Nah, being down 12, that's not good enough for me. Now I'm down 11. I'll wait for it to pick up some more steam before I go again. I'll just leave it for now. Discord fam, I got 3 contracts. I'm down 11%. My average is 84 per contract. It's at 74. So I'm down 10%. How do you play it both ways? So you buy a call, you buy a put, you can give them different time frames. Like, for example, like let's say that for like this, NEO is the perfect example. Watch this. This is how you play NEO both ways. Let's go back in time and act as if you could just see what was going to happen, right? Let's say that you had a call and you were very long on your call. You get into your call. Let's say you get into your call like right here, right? This is at 39. Boom. You riding the call. It's at 40.65 right now. You playing the call long. You still playing the call. But you could have got into a put today to just ride the wave down today and then let it go green and still held on to your call and then just wait for the call to go up and then you can make money on the call and on the put. It's all about the time frame. All right. So now let's see. And let's go back. AMC is coming down, but it's coming down to that 35 support line that we were talking about in yesterday's video. EVGO has come down to. A lot of things have come down, except things that you would think would come down, like Rivian is up. Tesla. Yo, I love to see Tesla pump, family. Let me tell you right now, I love it. I love it. I love it. Every time I see it, I love it. I want to see Tesla become a $100,000 stock. I'm playing, but that's, come on now. Gene Thornton in the building. Let's go. So, hey, family, I'm here just trying to see the dips. Pick up your grandkids. Shout out to the grandkids. Which are the best stocks for dividends other than Disney? In my opinion, and I've vocalized this on the live streams before. Those of you who are long-term investors, let me just put you up on some game real quick. There's a play called Old Realty. My OGs who've been with me for a long time, you know what time it is. Old Realty is one of my favorite dividend stocks for multiple reasons. One, they've been paying dividends for a long time. Two, their dividend yield is about 4%. 4%. That's great, right? Also, they give a dividend out every single month. Every single month. And they've been doing this for years, family. Many, many years. Okay, so now, why is that important? Look at this dividend yield. Imagine that AMC did the short squeeze, right? And it went up to whatever it went to, and you became a multi-millionaire today. Let's say, calculator, you became a multi-millionaire. Let's say after taxes, you had $1 million. Right? One, and then 1, 2, 3. I just want you to be able to see this. So let's put some commas in there. Right? And let's multiply this by your dividend yield, which is 0.0408. That's what the dividend yield is on O. Right? 4%. So this is our dividend yield right here. So every single year, you would get paid out about $40,000. $40,800 every single year. So you would never even have to touch your principal, but you would get paid this. But what if you had $2 million? Then you would get paid 81. What if you had 10 million, family? Then you would get paid this, 400,000, 408,000 a year, right? Just in dividends, just straight up dividends. But we would divide this by 12 so you could see what you would get per month. But you would have had to have $10 million for this. But look at this, $34,000 a month. Now you're going to get taxed, right? You are going to get taxed. So let's say you're getting taxed something high, like 40%, right? Boom. Oh, no, I meant to put 0.40. Let me divide that by 40 and go back to where we were. And then times that by 0.40%. Boom. Actually, let's times it by 0.6 so we can see what the remainder would be if you got taxed 40. It might sound confusing, but it works. You'll get to keep $20,000 a month. You see what I'm saying? After taxes, if you had $10 million invested into this. So when I hear people who are like crazy rich and then they going broke, family, I'm thinking to myself, why? This never had to happen to you. This never had to happen to you. Imagine you had $20,000 to spend a month after taxes. You see what I'm saying? You would have been straight. You would have been so straight forever. And your family could have been good forever. But people like to live above their means. But it is what it is. I'm not here to shame nobody. I just want you to just understand the mindset of how to build that generational wealth. It's important. Shout out to my guy T-Bone. I see you, big dog. I see you. All right, look. Apple pumping a little bit. We like to see it. mRNA, it pumped up like crazy, but it has since come down. Pfizer, still coming down. Family, look. I'm down 3% on my Pfizer put. I could have averaged down again, but I decided against it. But we trying to play this both ways, up and down. Play it both ways, up and down. Now, family, I want to just say something right here. Shout out to you. Shout out to you. And I just want to just really take a second and appreciate you right now because I'm thinking deeply about what you are doing. And what you are doing is this. You are taking the time on your Monday morning to learn and to listen in on investing, stock type information. You are deciding to put in the time to learn and to move forward. And I appreciate you for that, because we talk about how the world is so full of crime, the world is so full of things that are outside of our control, so full of just nastiness, you know what I'm saying? But what you are doing right now is you're trying to feed your mind and better yourself. What you are doing right now is you are trying to feed your investments and better your descendants' lives. You know what I'm saying? And that's so huge. So I appreciate y'all for doing that, because what you are doing right now is you are making the world a better place. How? Simply because you are trying to make yourself better. You're a part of the world, and you're trying to make the people who come after you and the people who listen to you and the people who hear you, their lives better too. So I just want to say I appreciate y'all for the work that you putting in, because you putting in work too. You know what I'm saying? You putting in the work, and I really, really want you to just never let somebody else just tell you that, you know, what you doing ain't important. You know what I'm saying? Because it is. It is. The only way that we could win is if we pick ourselves up and build ourselves up. Nobody is going to do it for you. Nobody is going to do it for you. And I want you to think of it like this. It's kind of like when you go on a diet, right? Nobody's going to do that work for you. Nobody's going to go to the gym for you. Nobody can run for you and do cardio for your heart for you. You know what I'm saying? Nobody could do these things, and you are here doing these things for yourself, and I appreciate you, and I love you, and I want you to really just be proud of yourself for that. You deserve it. You deserve to be proud of yourself, and your kids, your grandkids, everybody, they're going to be fortunate to have been descended from you, and you really got to understand that. That's what I'm talking about. Like my guy just said in here, he said, let's pay it forward. That's right, Carl. Let's pay it forward. That's what it's all about. We playing it forward. We trying to build ourselves. We trying to, you know what I'm saying, be better. And that's huge. That's so huge. Now, let's keep it going. Because, again, we've been looking time and time again, family, to get into. And if you want to be up on the Discord with us, again, I see people asking about it. The link is in the top of the chat. Come and join the Discord. Come on now. We'll see you over there when you get there. But check this. Check this out. So we are looking to get into a Neo call. We've been talking about this for a long time. We was in the 45. Now we're looking to get into a better Delta. Delta tells you how much a stock is going to move if how much an option is going to move if the underlying stock moves up $1, right? So that's important to know, because the higher Delta is, the more you're going to win on the rocket. You know what I'm saying? So then understand me on this. It's time for us to win, and I'm ready. I'm all the way ready. Michelle Morris, I appreciate you. I appreciate you for that. Shout out to you. That's love. That's love. And I want to really just, you know what I'm saying? That's why I want you to understand also that these investments that we get into, like the long-term investments, you said the Pfizer puts is printing. Let's go back to Pfizer. These investments that we get into long-term, you got to understand, we invest in long-term, but options are trades. Options are trades. Options are short-term, and they are trades. We trade options. We invest in stocks. We invest in crypto. You can trade these things too, but you always got to look at options like a trade, like a straight up trade. Twitter is suspended. That's crazy. How do you get on a live video on the Discord? The Discord link is in the top. That's how we do it. So if you go into the options class in Discord after this video, let's get it. Let's win. Let's win. So now let's also remember, whenever you get into one, I was telling you before, you got to think of it like this. You got to think of it like hot potato. Think of options like hot potato. That's a game where there's a steaming hot potato, right? And you holding on to it. If it's too hot, you got to let it go. You know what I'm saying? But again, if you got your oven mitts, you can handle the heat. We got to remember that. But at the same time, you got to understand, if something is losing you money or burning you, it's okay to let it go before you get burned beyond repair, right? So then you could get into a better play. Get into a better play. But look at this. Pfizer keep coming on down, baby. Keep coming on down. If it pops up, I'm going to buy another one. Another put on it, because we on a downtrend. But again, don't get married to it. Hot potato. Make money, get in, get up, and get out. All right, yeah. So let's check this out. Let's check out. Somebody asked me to check out, and I didn't forget Meta Hero. Meta Hero. Is that even a stock or is that a crypto? That sounds like a crypto. It's not on Webull. It's not on Webull. Okay. Somebody else said Crystal Biotech. Crystal Biotech. Let's check them. Crystal Biotech. They're up a lot. Do they have any options? They do. They up a whole lot. Jeez. Yeah. What happened to them? So they was flat forever. Right? They was flat basically forever. And then when was this? 2021 in March, they were up here, and now they're crazy up, all the way up. That's crazy. So let's see. Let's look at the put options on this. Because after a crazy run, you want to make money back on the way down. However, let's look at the news first, because there could be some crazy news that they cured some uncurable thing, and then, you know what I'm saying? So let's check this. Crystal Biotech shares more than double. Pre-market Monday. What investors need to know? They said that they have a study on a rare skin disease. Double. I don't know, family. Let's see. Biotech announces top line results for their Gen 3 pivotal patients with. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I think this is gonna drop. Let's see. Chris, for today. Oh, for the 17th? Oh, yeah. Let's look. Open interest on a put option for $50 is $3,000. It's $70. So then it's $80. It costs $80 to get in on this. It's a lot of open interest. Delta is really, it's decent. Delta is decent. Nah, I wouldn't rock with this one. If I got in this one, I would get out today because Theta is higher than Delta. Theta is higher than Delta plus Gamma. So this one is I wouldn't get in on this put today unless I was getting out of it today. Make sure you pay attention to the Greeks. If you don't understand the Greeks, join the Discord so you can join the class. All right, yeah. So let's keep it going. Cause yeah, this one it looked good at first, but then upon further inspection, the Greeks wasn't good. The Greeks were not good. However, I think it's falling now. So let's just double check. Yeah. That ain't bad though, to be honest. That ain't bad. So let's see. All right. So family, Pfizer, I'm about to get I'm about to get 2 more of that same exact call. Put. I'm about to buy 2 more of that same put. So I can ride this wave down. I'm about 2 more of them. As soon as I try to buy it, oh, I'm in. Cool. So family, I just picked up 2 more of this same put. Discord fam, I'm gonna send it to you on Stocks of the Week again. Boom, I'm green. Let's go. So Discord fam, I got 5 total contracts. Now, I remember I bought one. I got some skin in the game, and then I just played it as if it was a trade. So now I'm in the green. I was in the red. I was down 30% when we got on here. Now I'm green. And I got 5, and I didn't go all in at once. Okay, played it. You gotta play the things. Take your time. Play it like a pro. Now let's go. Discord fam, just know what I'm about to do now. If you're not in the Discord with us, baby, come join the Discord. You can learn how to do options there. You got a whole community that's running all kind of plays. If there's a play on the market, just know the family in the Discord, in the stock options, call options chat, in the general chat, in the put options chat, they in it, baby. I want you to hit the like button on your way out. If you have not already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. It's time to switch over to Discord Live, baby. So let's get it. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. And I will see you over there, baby. I will see you over there. Now, again, if you can't handle the heat of these hot stocks, then stay out of the kitchen. Discord Live. Discord link is in the top of the chat. I'll see you over there. Again, take care.